In this video, we will learn how to fix the Windows 11 update error when the update KB5053598 fails to install. You may see error code 0x800f0838 or 0x800f0993. These errors usually mean that something is blocking the update. First, restart your computer and try the update again. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary issues. If the update still fails, start with Solution 1. Solution 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. In the Settings window, click on System, then click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Look for the Windows Update option and click the Run button next to it. The troubleshooter will scan your system for problems related to updates. If it finds any, it will try to fix them automatically. When it finishes, restart your computer and try installing the update again. If this does not solve the problem, move on to Solution 2. Solution 2. Use the Microsoft Update Catalog to download and install the update manually. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. In the search box, type KB5053598 and press Enter. You will see a list of update files. Find the one that matches your system type, like Windows 11 64-bit. Click the Download button next to it. A small window will appear. Click the link inside that window to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, double-click it to run the installer. Follow the instructions to complete the installation. After the update finishes installing, restart your computer. If the update still does not install, try Solution 3. Solution 3. Use the System File Checker tool to repair missing or damaged system files. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. Type sfc/scanno. This will start scanning your system for missing or broken files. It may take a few minutes to finish. When it's done, restart your computer and try installing the update again. If that doesn't help, try Solution 4. Solution 4. Use the DISM Tool to repair the Windows image. Again, open the command prompt as an administrator. Now type the following command and press Enter. Type dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore-health. This command checks the Windows image and repairs any problems with it. The process may take a little while. When it completes, restart your computer. Then check Windows Update and try installing KB5053598 again. If you're still having trouble, try the final fix. Solution 5. Use the Windows Update Assistant. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 Update Assistant on the Microsoft website. You can also go to the official Windows 11 download page. Look for the section that says Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on the Download Now button. After the tool is downloaded, run it. The Update Assistant will check your system and start downloading the latest version of Windows 11, including the KB5053598 update. Follow the on-screen instructions. It will guide you through the process. Your computer may restart several times. This tool can fix update problems by installing the latest version of Windows directly over your current one. It keeps your files and apps safe. These 5 methods should help fix the update installation problem. Try them one by one, and in most cases, one of them will solve the issue. Thanks for watching.